Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you my way of making aloo gosht. I'm gonna make it in the pressure cooker. First of all, I'm gonna take a cup of cooking oil in the pressure cooker. I'm gonna let it heat and I'm gonna add 2 large onions in there. I'm gonna let the onions cook until they are golden brown. On the side, I'm gonna cut 2 large tomatoes, 3 to 4 green chilies and ginger garlic paste. I'm gonna add all this when the onions are turned golden brown. Now I'm gonna let this masala cook properly. There are many different ways of making aloo gosht. You can also make it by putting all the raw ingredients and put it on the pressure cooker, but I'm gonna cook the masala first, then I'm gonna grind it. It's totally optional if you don't want it grinded, so you can skip this step, but I like my gravy smooth, so I made a smooth gravy. Now I'm gonna add the chops in. It's time to add the spices. I'm going to add 2 spoons of salt. You can make it less or more according to your quantity. Adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi. Now I'm gonna add black cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of zira. Now I'm gonna let it cook until all the spices are blended in and the oil gets separate from the meat. It's going to take about 10 minutes and the gravy gets cooked. The oil separates from the gravy. And now at this stage, I'm going to add water. The quantity of water depends on how thick you want your gravy, and it's also going to be used to cook the meat. I've put the pressure cooker on for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to check on the meat if it's cooked properly. The meat is now tender. On the side I've cut potatoes to add in there. Now I'm going to add potatoes. They're going to get cooked in the same gravy and it will have a nice flavor of meat. I'm adding 2 bullet chilies, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Now I'm gonna cook this gravy until the potatoes are cooked, and at the end I'm gonna add fresh coriander in there. The aloo gosht is ready. It's such a simple and quick recipe. Do try this. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like the recipe. Please do try and let me know how did you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for your support.